Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. So right now we are headed for a buggy ride with Abe's Horse and Buggy in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. You excited for your buggy ride?
Yeah.
Hi to everyone.
Where's the cat?
Hi. Hi there. Hey. We're ready to go. Got everyone in. Get our horse ready.
Go, Ricky.
Why shouldn't I back?
You're on a horse, Lindsay.
Yeah. So where had you lived before?
We lived down in Dremore.
No, we didn't.
We're getting ready to go out on the highway now.
You want to sit on the minute?
Oh.
This road's so busy. There's so many cars going by.
So where did you grow up?
I grew up in Georgia.
So it's kind of new to you.
Yes, it is.
Why does Spark have two views?
Having so much fun.
That's happened over here.
Hey, Ricky, come on.
We're going so slow right now.
Get Ricky, come on.
Horse. Horse.
So how old's the baby?
No.
Come on.
Here, back by horses.
Yeah.
And horses.
Yeah. Amish farm. There's one up here.
Pick another off.
Steve and Mary.
Water!
Yeah. Come on.
Horse.
Come on.
We here?
Yeah. Come on.
This is an Amish schoolhouse. There's,
There's over 200 of them in the county.
oh wow. This is where they park their bicycles to come to school.
Get Ricky.
Gotta go on another busy road.
Get Ricky. Come on. Yeah.
We here?
No, you stay up. You don't want to fall on the ground, do you? That'd be ouchy. They do tours. Can we go in it?
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
I heard the township bought it. They want to
Sit down. Our ride is over now. Thank you for taking us on such a wonderful ride. Well, that was a wonderful ride. And that also is how Eli got around when he was a young boy. So it's fun actually imagining how it was for Eli. But yeah, now we are headed off to somewhere else. We're gonna go get some baby formula at the thrift store for Lindsay. Okay, one more slide and then we're leaving. Hi, little goats. Hi, little goats. I always wanted goats. I always loved goats. And there's some chickens in here too. Daisy, do you see the chickens? Chicken and goats. Oh, is this a pony? Pony, Lindsay. Pony. I think I'm finding out Lindsay is a farm girl. Lindsay. Lindsay. He's licking you. There's a cute little white goat over there, just standing in his house. Oh, there's another goat. We came to the Bird in Hand Farmers Market and we had to pick up some meat for our sandwiches because we're having a picnic lunch today at the park. So we're going to try some of this apple cider and you can help yourself.
I want this one.
You want that one?
Yeah, usually that's kind of how it is, but
Not like that.
Is that a big one? Okay, you can have just one more. We're trying out little samples. Okay, that's enough. All kinds of cute little spices. That's because they're spices. Look, there's tea over here. This is what we came for. We came for some meat for our sandwiches.
That's it.
Look, these stuffed pork chops. Or it says stuffed turkey breast. Okay, so we're gonna try sample cheese.
I want to fly.
That one's spicy. Those are spicy cheeses.
This is
That's a spicy one. It's ghost pepper.
and this one is cute. I want this. This one is spicy.
Okay, so we're gonna give Randall some peanut butter
I want some.
because he had some spicy cheese. Put it in the trash can here. Let's try some honey roasted. This is chunky. Peanut butter, creamy peanut butter.
Mom,
Lots of samples to try. Now we're trying these little Chex Mix, peanut butter, and also pumpkin spice. Oh look, here's some little mottos. Children. That's so pretty. It has little lights on.
This is more.
We are about to ask for some popcorn samples. You want some popcorn samples? We finally made it to the park. We are so hungry. We cannot wait to eat and then go on these beautiful play sets back here. And then down here is a creek that is full of Canadian geese. Okay, who's hungry for sandwiches? Okay, let's go get them made. Lindsay's still sleeping, so we're gonna let her sleep. And we packed our lunch in here because we don't have a lunch box. So this works. So we packed a few cheese curls, and then we got some ham at the farmer's market. We have some chips, and here's our sourdough sandwiches. We had gotten sourdough bread the other day at Stoltzfus Meats. Randall had to go to the bathroom, so he went down to the little porta potty. So we just added our ham to our sandwiches, cut the children's in half. I might have to wake Lindsay up to eat a bite of sandwich.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. We're eating our sandwiches. Randall's down there. He went to the porta potty. He's coming back now. You be careful on that rock wall. Climb up, up, up. Yeah, you can. You can do it. Good girl. Good job. Good girl.
That's so nice.
Good job, Kaylee. Good girl. You made it. You climbed the rock wall. Okay, come down. My little Eskimo. She's all bundled up. Okay, so we're down at the playground now. We're gonna go look at the geese, and then we're gonna go home. This has been a fun day. I didn't want to go, but we have to go. Bye-bye. We have to go home again. We're going to look at the geese. We got done at the park. Not really got done, but we gotta go home soon because it's getting dark. So now we're gonna go look at the geese. Sounds like the geese are ready to go to bed. Oh, Lindsay, what do you think of all those big birds? So many big birds.
I got some fish food. Got some fish food.